Today in front of me I have DOOGEE X97 Pro, and in this video I will show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in the Opera query. Once the needed app is found, you can initiate its installation either directly from the search results or open its app page and tap at the install button over there. Now let's wait for the Opera to be downloaded and installed. Then once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. And if you are opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup. So tap at the continue button, then choose whether you are ready to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat. And in here at this final page, you can either customize the permissions and security preferences that the Opera will be able to access, or simply allow everything that it needs, or everything that it asks for at least, and start using the app. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.